I'm alive? Oh, let's see. Offline. Oh, it works. Okay, I have to talk a bit quiet because people are asleep in the house I am in. So I'm going to be doing a little less talking in the beginning, at least for maybe an hour or so. Then I'm going to become more active vocally, at least. So right now I'm working on the theme. I should probably turn down the audio a little bit. That should be better. Okay. So the theme for today is a small world. And frankly, I'm kinda out of ideas. Except at the same time, kinda not. I have an idea of what I want to try. Now, how I will actually do that, I don't know. I'm thinking I'm going to just basically prototype it because time is of essence here. So my idea is to create a game where you start out small and you kinda grow. And when I say small, I mean 1 pixel. So right now I don't really know more than that. I'm still working out the details, so excuse me. But yeah, I'm on Twitch now, hopefully, and on YouTube now. I'm using a service called Livestream.io. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you should well, now you know about the stream, which is good. But you go to Twitch and you can actually chat. Because I don't think yeah, I wouldn't be able to keep track of both YouTube chat and Twitch chat. So in fact, I should actually disable the YouTube chat. So if you do want to communicate, you're more than welcome to jump on Twitch and communicate from there. It's just a good way to get people to know that I'm actually live streaming. Let's see here. Gotta find a way how to do that. There we go. Done. Okay, so if you want to communicate, just go to Twitch and you can participate. I turned off the YouTube one, but it will be there, so you can watch from there too. But I'm going to post a link now to this place here. Let me move this inside here. So today I'm going to do some doodling out for the game, or I don't even know what it is yet. It's here. Let's get the link to the live stream. Hopefully it works. Let's see here. Oh, here we go. There's Facebook and Twitter. Okie dokie, I have now advertised that I'm doing this now. So now we can begin here. Twitter done, Facebook done. Discord I think it's done. Actually I forgot to share it on the LudumDare Discord channel. Hold on. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna create a simple pixel. Just one pixel, white image. Amazing artwork. If I'm very quiet, let me know, because I am speaking lower than usual now, at least in the morning, until the rest of the house has woken up. So I'm gonna start a new project here. This is my project from yesterday. I was messing around with some pathfinding. So let's go to the project manager. Let's see. I'm gonna do a test here, just make sure it's working. Yeah, it's working. Come on. Okay, let me terminate you. You have been terminated. Let's see here. Let's create a new project. Let's add it somewhere easily accessible. So I'm gonna put it actually on the desktop here, just so it's right in my face, so I'll be able to get to it quickly. Okay, now I know what I'm doing here. Go back. Give me the browser path, please. Path, not the users. Let's go to desktop. There we go. This is the path. Add it here. If I press enter now, it's gonna open, won't it? That's a bug. It's not supposed to happen. That is very annoying. Let's just go to the short list again. Second time. Well, third time, I guess, technically. New project. Go path, and let's create a new folder. This will be the source. No. Ludum. Small world. I'm just gonna name it theme. So we will create the project small world with the project next small world. Create. Open. I take it that many people are asleep. A lot of people have been working throughout the night. Some people are just waking up. Let's see here. So the plan is this. I'm going to basically the idea I'm gonna work on is that we're gonna start small. I'm going to be the player is going to be a pixel, and basically it's just going to be pixelated everything, like literally just a pixel. And then once you have achieved a certain goal, I don't know what that is yet, it might be just to complete level, it might be to assimilate other pixels or something, and then you'll get a pixel bigger, and you're 2 pixels, and then you continue. Of course, the levels will have to increase gradually as well. So for each level, you will get 1 pixel bigger. Bigger, 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 until you are a, well, sprite. So, first I'm just gonna prototype it quickly to see if I can get it to work. So I'm just gonna create a 2D scene here. New scene, yeah, I have a new scene here. Let's use a control node. Let's name this the main scene. Let's see. Let's fill the screen. Turn off margins. Or rather, put it back to 0. Let's make sure we don't ignore... I mean, that we do ignore mouse. Okay, saving main. Pixel Python Sean says it sounds interesting. Well, I don't even know it's interesting. I mean, it's very simple. It's almost stupidly simple in concept. Just your pixel. You do something, you become 1 pixel bigger, and then you do something, and you become 1 pixel bigger. I don't know. All of this will have to be manually done, so I will have to draw every level. Because I probably won't have time to create an elaborate algorithm to generate levels to scale or something. So I'm just gonna start simple. I'm just gonna create the player first. So we have a. I guess we use kinematically. Although it doesn't really matter, because I think I'm gonna move in by pixel, so the pixel will move a pixel. Or should we? I don't know. We'll have to figure that one out. So let's create a sprite here. This is the body to the player. So the thing is, I might have to add a collection of sprites. Or I might manually create each sprite. Unless, yeah, no, I don't have time to experiment. I was thinking maybe I can experiment with drawing, because there are functions to draw here. So let's see, canvas item. You can draw circles, characters, a line, polygon. We might be onto something here. Primitive, rectangle. I'm gonna experiment with this one. Okay, let's move the body for now. And in which case I will not, probably won't be, well... How would that work? It wouldn't work, would it? Unless I can create a canvas item like right here somewhere. Well, I guess they're all inheriting it, so I'll see. Let's add a test script here. Let's just create a folder for the player. The resources, and I'll add a player script here. Let's see here. Let's create the draw function. Okay, let's just pixel equals draw rectangle. So now everything will have to do scale, I think, unless we want the game itself to be this big. And let me think here. Okay, let's try it. How big do you want each pixel to be? 32 by 32? No, might be too. Well, maybe. Let's try 8 by 8 for now. So pixel size is then 8, width and height, because they're symmetrical, or yeah, equal in size, both length and height, or width and height. So let's create a rect here. Hold on, wait, what? Taking an object rectangle. I haven't used rect before, so I have to figure out how to set that one up. So rect equals, let's see here. What do you use here? A position and a size. Hold on. Draw rect. Oh, I see. Just write them there. Direct, you take in... Ah, okay, so the rectangle itself has the positional size. Let's see. Well, let's start by using zeros here, just the initial, the root pixel, basically. And then you want what? Size. Okay, that will be our pixel size, so we'll use another to do. So we have pixel size. Let's see. And then was color, I believe. So we have, let's start with red. Let's just see what we get here. Correct. I don't need to store it, but we'll see what happens here. Let's update here. Just see what happens. Oh yeah, I might have to move the player to the side there a little bit so you can actually see it. So it's inside the camera view. Let's see what happens. Okay, vector 2. Non-existent. What do you mean? Vector 2. That's weird. Hold on. Do I have a typo somewhere? I have a typo vector. No, it should be right. Constructor. What do you mean? It's right there. Vector returns a vector 2. It might be bugged, I don't know. So I'm gonna with height. X1 with I'm gonna try to use this one instead. Let's see here. So this will be what? 0, 0, pixel size. Did that work? Okay, that works. Apparently it's bugged. So, we have a pixel now. This could be our player. So let's see if we can get it to move. If I were to move this. So what I'm curious about the drawing here, if it's final. Because I might have to redraw it every time I move it. And if that's the case, it would be actually easier to me to just create the sprite image and work from there. So we'll see. But the idea is for now that I'm just gonna try to make a test where you have a pixel, and then I'm gonna create another pixel somewhere with the same color. So when you, the player pixel, approaches it, it will stick to you, whichever side. So it'll be kind of cool if you can get that working, because then you can kind of build your own player. So I don't know how that will work, but we'll see. Another thought is that each level you start as one pixel, and throughout the level you will have to reassemble yourself into certain parts to solve certain puzzles or get through certain areas. I don't know how that will work, considering you'll get bigger, so I'll have to do the opposite maybe. I don't know. It's definitely a work in progress here. I'm just spitballing right now with code, so we'll see. Either way, this will be an interesting challenge for me, so even if it doesn't turn out into something I can use, I'll still have experiences I can use from it. Let's see, what were I doing here? We have a pixel now. I want to get it to move, so I'm just gonna func fixed process, and in here I'm just gonna move the player. So I'm just gonna make sure to enable fixed process. Let's see here. Let's just move towards the right for now. Just X, Y. This should move really slow now. So let's just see. Yeah. Okay. Good. So it does move. I only have to draw this once, which is a good thing, because then I only have to draw it when I update the size. So I'm gonna create a new one. This is gonna be a area 2D? Yeah, area 2D. Because it's gonna be a pickup basically. This pixel is the pixel that will stick to you. So how will I do that? Well, 3 pixel? I don't know. We'll see. Okay, let's add a sprite. I'm going to make a class to generate pixels. I'm going to create each class to generate pixels, allowing me to set the and then build on the pixel based on up, left, right, down. So if I select build pixel left, it will create one to the left, and it will keep doing that using the last pixel. So relative from the last pixel will always be the direction we're going. Maybe, I don't know. It might be too. It might be overkill for this. Let's just see here. This is 1 pixel, and the width, the size of the pixel. Hold on, let me take a look here. Will be the distance we'll have to move each time we add the pixel. So starting from the first pixels going 0, 0. If I were to create another pixel, I don't actually need the reference, do I? I don't think I need the reference, but let me take a look here. It doesn't return anything anyway, so this is that one doesn't do anything. But I do have the reference for the first pixel, so let me take a look here. So let's create the let's update it. Set pass with X. How do you? Can I not manipulate this? Grow? What does that do? Let's see, what does grow do? Expand? No, return a copy. The vector grown a given amount of units towards all the sides. Interesting. This might be, I can use this, possibly. I might be able to use this function to combine pixels. Let's see, combine rectangle with another. The larger one is returned that contains both. Okay. Let me think how that will work here. I'm going to create 2 of these. This is the first one, and the second one is just going to be, let's see, pixel size and width. For now. But as long as the 0, 0 coordinates in the upper left corner, this should be right. But I'm going to take a look and see what happens here. Change the color so you can differentiate between them. Now there should be 2 pixels side by side, and it is good. So now having the extra, what if I don't draw this? What if I don't draw this and I reuse this? So this one, or I'm gonna add it, giving it a different name here. If we were to use pixel rect 2 merge, and then I will just add this one, the new pixel, that data I would receive from the pixel I have collided with. And of course, during that collision I will get which direction I'm colliding with. So if he is on my right side, this will be the value. I will get 8 in width towards the right. So if it is left, it will be negative, and so on. Because this is all relative to my own. No wait, it wouldn't be negative. It would actually be. Yeah, no, it would be negative. Yeah, it would be negative. 1 step negative. Yeah. So I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Let's see what happens now. Because I'm not drawing again. I'm not drawing this. I'm just using this one to merge. So do I have to redraw it then? Because that's the thing. What happens? No, I can't do that in here. That's gonna create a infinite loop. So how does this work? How do I make the changes? It returns direct, so I have to redraw it. But the differences are so small between just drawing it directly. If So let me try it anyway. Let's see what happens. Actually, what does happen if I do this? I'm gonna change the color as well. I'm not drawing this one now, I'm drawing this one. What I want to test now is if I were to draw the same pixel twice, would it just move or would it actually draw two rectangles using the same rectangle? So let's see here. X, Y. Oh wait. They'll be at the same position now, so it'll be difficult to I know, let's change reference a little bit, or update it. No, that would be. Can I? Can't set it now. Okay, I guess it didn't do anything. So let's remove 2, merging it, and drawing it. Let's see what happens here. What if I don't draw the first one to begin with? What would happen? It's just gonna turn blue. Okay, so this does not seem to be working. Okay, you know what? Screw merge. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so this is the initial pixel. This would be the attached pixel, basically. Let me turn off move for now. Let's see here, how would I do this? How can I make this into a game? 8 by 8 in size. I will need walls, I'll need to draw pixels, so I'm thinking I can just make, for me to quickly make maps. So I'm thinking I'm gonna make the pixel size a little bigger. Or will I? I think it's good like this, starting with this, because when it gets bigger, it'll be bigger. I don't think how to do this, how to gamify it, basically. Okay, one thing at a time. Let me first get the free pixel to do something. I need a collision device for that one. Or a collision shape. Let me create a 8 by 8 pixel. Save.
Thought about this too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me, it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind. Till you break my mind. Until you break my thoughts. Till you break my thoughts.
Let's see here, pixel. This will be a pixel. So pixel GD. How will I do this? Well, for now I'm just gonna check if collision has occurred. So the player will be a body, so if body has entered are 3 pixels, so on 3 pixel body enter connect. If actually groups equal body get groups, I need to figure out what it is. So if the groups has player, it's a player. So let me add group player to the player, so we actually will trigger that. So when that happens, I want to find out from which direction has the body entered. And I believe there are functions to find that. I just don't remember what it is, so let me see if I can find that. Let's see, body enter, area body enter, there you go. Let's see. This is the area 2D. Will I be able to get the direction, let's see here. Should be a way to do that. I mean, I could just calculate it, but let's see. An array? No, I don't want that. Because I already know I have overlapped.
And dive into the sky.
Wait, I think I know how to do this. If the player keeps a record of the direction he's moving, so when he goes right, then let's say a right boolean will be triggered or something like that. Or if we in general store a direction. So move right, by default false, var. Move down, false. So if right, now that wouldn't, it would be too complicated maybe. Let's see here. Direction. Get direction. Scene. Front settings. Input map. Let's see. Let me add the keys I can use here. Let's remove these ones, or add new ones rather. So move left, move right, move up, and we have it down.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world
I
is
apologize, I will turn down the music a little bit here.
I have a dream where love's the only
Is that better? Because I am talking very, well, quieter than I usually do. Because it is early in the morning. So hopefully now you should be able to hear me better. No? Thank you for letting me know, by the way. Ah, good. I'm happy to hear that. Let's see here. Done. Okay, I have the basic menu keys done now. So let's see here. Let's get input here. Let's get the player input. So set in, input didn't? Was it input? Was it? Yeah. True here. We can pass this for now. So inside input event, actually, yeah, this is what I want. Bar. So, do I want the pixel to move pixel by pixel? I'm thinking I do. Yeah, I will do that. Make it small, make it pixel, otherwise it wouldn't appear as a pixel, it would be kind of like, it would be fake pixels. I mean, it is fake pixel, but it would be more obvious that it is fake pixels. So, let us first get the input. So, if our event is action pressed, and that event is move left, well, we're gonna move left if we can. So I'm gonna handle this as we go along. So let's first take a look here. Action press, move left. What do we do then? Well, we move left, so move. Pixel size left, vector 2. I'll probably redo this later on once I get everything up working here. Pixel size left and 0, and then up and down. And I'm gonna do that for all the movement events here. So I'm gonna copy that, paste it in there, copy this, paste, pass, and paste. So we have left, we have right, we have up, and we have down. So by default, we're not moving. Our movement is 0, 0. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna move here. I'm going to set our left. Let's see. Yeah, I guess I'll set it directly here. X equals negative pixel size. So if I do this, I can remove the elif, so it will all be if. So if I were to press up and down at the same time, it will be 0 in movement, allowing us more freedom in movement. So I can actually move diagonally now, in theory at least. So now I'll change Y, negative up, yeah, and we have down. Let's see here. There we go. So now it should be functioning, at least until we add move here, or after we add move. Yeah, let's take a look at it. Let's see what happens here. Okay, good, it works. Now I have to press to move here. I cannot hold it down. I have to click, 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 click to move, which is fine. I mean, I can later on do something different to. But as you can see now, it is not accurate. That's because we haven't set the position properly here. So selecting the player here, let's take a look at the position. Yeah, we have float values. If we want the pixel to be pixel perfect, we have to remove all the float values. We cannot use float values when we calculate player positioning. We cannot do that. No, we cannot. There we go, and there we go. Okay, now it should be pixel perfect. I'm also going to configure some. Okay, apparently it's not. Why is that? Let's see. Are the pixels centered? I think this is centered. Let's see. Yeah, it's centered. There we go. Turn it off. Now it should work. I'm hoping. Well, it's not apparently. Why? I don't know. Okay, so I'm 8 by 8. Okay, that's why. This is not pixels yet. I have to make sure they are dividable by 8, I believe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, let's see. What start position do we want? What's let me take a good screen here. What would be in this? What would be the center-ish? Let's see here. Let's move this to the center. It's about center. Okay, let's have 512. What happened now? What about 2? Would that work? I don't know, but these are details I'll have to figure out later. Because the only thing I need to move is the player, really, or relative position to the player. I'm gonna fix that later. Let's see here. What I want to do is no, I have to fix this first. Damn it. Okay, let's create a map, a tile map for the levels. I'm gonna divide them up once I get it working. Let's read the map. So let's create a new scene. It's a node 2D. So I need to create a tile set that will contain the tiles I will use, which will, well, basically be pixels from now. So tile map, tile set rather. Let's add a shadow node. Let's use a sprite because we have to. pixel 01. Let's load a texture to that. 8x8. Zoom out a little bit. Let's move this a little bit down here. Now this will need a collision box. I'm gonna use a static body here. This will make it static. Now a collision shape to actually give it a physical shape. So we have a collision. Let's add a rectangle shape. Set the width and height to be 4 because it's centered from the center. It extends 4x4 rather. Let's see, let's create a tile sets folder. This will be the tile set 1, I don't know. Save. Let me duplicate this one. So I'm gonna see if I can actually set them to be different colors. It should be possible, but with tile map you never know. It's not very kind of center to me actually. A lot of work remains with tile map to make it better, because it does not can I turn off center on this? It does not store data basically. Well, not a lot of data. I have to set this manually. 4x4. Yeah. There we go. 4x4, of course. So mouse up and left. Makes it more predictable. I'm gonna move this one. I'm gonna see if I can change the color by changing the module. Yeah, red. That should be good. I'm gonna export this and see what it looks like. Tile set 1 export edge. So here we have tile set trace. Ah, okay. Position 4 on that one as well. Now the 3 pixel, I'm gonna replace this dynamically using tile map later on. Honestly, this may not turn into anything, which is kind of sad. I hope it will though. We'll see how far it can take us. Ah, good, it works. The color is stored, even though it doesn't show it, which isn't good at all. Let's see here. Okay. If everything is correct now, if I were to remove, damn. Do I even have a collision box? I don't, that's why. Let's create a collision box here. Or rather a shape. I might make it into a trigger later on, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Did I forgot the shape. Okay, let's do that. It 4x4. Yeah, let's see here. I don't know if it's on top. I might have to move it 4 pixels to the right and down. Let's show the collision shapes here. Yeah, I gotta move it down a little bit. So position 4-4. There you go. Ah, now it should be accurate. Okay, I can move it in now. As you can see, all the collision positions are wrong now, so which means I have to go back to the tile set here. So it doesn't store positioning on children apparently. Because it's dumb. It's so dumb. Let's see here. What happens if I do this? It's very unpredictable. It should store a lot more information. I don't know why it doesn't. Let's try it again and see what happens here. Yeah, it's still not right. It's now... It is where it was, okay. Which means I'll have to see if I can change the offset somehow. Offset, offset, offset. Is there no offset here, really? Does that mean I have to use center position? Because if it is, then that would suck. I mean, yeah, no. Wait, oh, maybe. Let's see. That's the same as centered. God damn it. No, it has to be like so. It's a lot of bullshit that they won't allow me to do this. Let's see what happens now. I forgot to export it. Yeah, it doesn't give a fuck. The tile map don't give a fuck. Or rather the tile set. So how will I do this? Shit, I don't even know. Maybe I can add a another something here as a child. Actually, we had. Let's see. I believe Sprite is storing offsets. So I'm gonna do a little hack here, I guess, which really sucks. Testing. Setting offset to this one. That's the image, isn't it? Ah, crap. I don't know how to solve it. I never had this problem before. Very odd. Let's think here. Other people have had the same problem. I know. I've read it. Window engine, collision, shape, position, tile map, tile set. Yeah. Let's see here. That shouldn't do anything. It shouldn't matter. It's just the world position. This sucks. Well, I just do the hard way. I will do it the hard way. Yeah. A lot of work remains with tile sets. So now the tiles are in the right place. Ah, okay, that's why, because the blue one doesn't have a collision box here. So, let me think here, how will I do this? How will I do this? How will I do this? I can't use a collision box, it has to be something different. Has to be different. How will I do this? I know, I need to go back to the drawing board here. I got a plan how I'm gonna do this, because just doing this won't do anything unless I can put it in a game, like making it into a game. I guess the idea is interesting, but it won't do anything unless I can get the idea into practice. So I'm gonna move this microphone a little bit there. Yeah, the microphone is in the way. I'm gonna talk a little less now.
love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. Sorry for all the pain. Go look
Nah, I thought I had an idea, but then it left. It left me. Give it.
for all the pain. Sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. Sorry for all the pain. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name? Or you say her name? Yeah. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history, yeah.
Okay, I might be onto something. I don't want to say anything yet, just because I have to test it out in my mind before I do anything about that. I apologize for not talking, but I need to concentrate a little bit here. And it's hard to write when the microphone is in the way, because like, you know. Yeah, give me a second. Give me a second.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. Under the sun, our fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you plan, can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I
Right now I'm just trying to check to see. I recall Angry Bird having a mechanism that allows you to kind of sling object. I just don't remember how they visualized it. I'm trying to find out how. Oh, here we go. Let's see here. Well, not like that. Yeah, I have an idea now. I'm just trying to put together the pieces to make it into a game. But no, I don't intend to copy Angry Birds in any way. The only thing I'm looking for is the slinging, how they enacted the slinging mechanism for shooting objects. I mean, I guess it's pretty straightforward, but I'm just trying to get some inspiration. Yeah, you just drag it and it shoots. And I guess that will work. Actually, that might be a good mechanism for this, what I'm trying to do now. This is very crude, I know. Let's see here. Let's remove the thing I had there, whatever that was. Yeah, remove that one. Oh, of course I forgot to... Oh, wait. Okay, here we go. So the idea now is a character or a pixel that shoots pixels, that sticks to things. So you have to shoot your way to solve certain puzzles. This is just the same. This is just basically, I guess, level 1, if anything, if it would be anything. So you would have to shoot pixels certain ways so you can get up there. Now how that will be done, I don't know. Actually, it might be easier if let's see here. Be shot in the ground. That one on there. That one on top of that. That would work. You'll be stuck then. I don't know. This is just. I'm just thinking now. Yeah. No. It would be too. It wouldn't be. I don't think that would be. I don't know. I'm just spitballing here. Not looking good so far. I need... I'm out of ideas. I can't think of it really. I had this idea with pixels, building your way up basically, but I can't think of a game, a way to gamify it, making it into a game. Short of making a puzzle. I mean, not puzzle. Maze. But that's not fun at all. That's boring. It's boring. I don't know. I might have to get back to this. I guess the easiest solution would be to make a game with just small levels, small world, you know, just to get away with the theme, you know. And I'm sure many people already, I guess, well, I don't want to see pre-made the game, but have planned the game. Like, I don't want to make that regardless of the theme, and then I'm just gonna twist it to fit the theme. You know, put a picture of the theme in the corner, so you know there's a theme. Aha. We'll see. So now I'm just thinking. Well, I'm gonna get back to this. I'm gonna take a pause now, and I will. When I can think of something, I will return to this. Because right now, there's no point having a live stream when I'm just gonna stay here and like thinking. So I will be back in hopefully not too long, when I have an idea that's solid. So I will see you guys then. Ooh, let's see. There we go. Bye bye.